today as a living sacrifice for my generation, for my family, for my nation, Nigeria. Kai, take my heart, take my soul. There is a room only for you. Take my heart, Lord. Take my soul. There is a room just for you. Take my heart. Take my soul. But there is a room only for you. Take my heart. Take this life, oh, there is a room only for you. Holy Ghost, kind,